Portrait photography is an art form that allows us to capture the essence of a person in a single frame. Today, I'm going to share with you some essential tips and techniques to help you capture stunning portrait photos. Let's start with focusing on the eyes. The eyes are the windows to the soul, so make sure they are sharp and in focus. Use your camera's autofocus to lock onto the eyes for that captivating look. Next, using a wide aperture can create a beautiful background blur, also known as bokeh, that helps your subject stand out. Experiment with different apertures to achieve the desired effect. Finding the right light is crucial. Soft, diffused light is flattering for portraits, so consider shooting during the golden hours of sunrise or sunset for that warm, glowing effect. When it comes to angles, don't be afraid to get creative. Try shooting from different perspectives to add depth and interest to your photos. Capturing details is key to telling a story. Focus on unique features or expressions that make your subject stand out. Using reflectors can help bounce light onto your subject, filling in shadows and creating a more balanced look. Pay attention to backgrounds. A cluttered or distracting background can take away from your subject, so choose simple, clean backgrounds that complement your subject. Engage with your subject to capture genuine emotions and expressions. Make them feel comfortable and encourage them to be themselves in front of the camera. Compose your shots thoughtfully. Consider the rule of thirds, leading lines, and framing to create visually appealing portraits. Post-processing can enhance your photos. Experiment with editing tools to adjust exposure, colors, and contrast to achieve your desired look. In conclusion, portrait photography is all about capturing the essence of a person in a single frame. Remember to focus on the eyes, use a wide aperture, find the right light, experiment with angles, capture details, use reflectors, pay attention to backgrounds, engage with your subject, compose thoughtfully, and consider post-processing to enhance your photos. I hope these tips and techniques help you capture stunning portrait photos. Remember to practice, experiment, and most importantly, have fun. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more photography tips and inspiration.